Now, with Point of View, here is WDRB and WMYO President and General Manager Bill Lamb.
I think we're very fortunate to have 4 good television news stations here in Louisville. But while we have 4 good stations, I don't believe we have any great ones. A year ago, we set a goal for WDRB to become a great television station, and we've been working diligently toward that. Now, I'll be the first to tell you that we aren't a great station yet. We are not. This is a long-term project, and we know we can't be truly great until you say we are. I can tell you what we've done that is unique in Louisville television to earn your viewership. We're still the only station that offers real-time closed captioning to the deaf or hard of hearing in our community, so everyone can stay informed of local news. We invested in the most reliable texting system, so you can get the fastest notification of school closings by SnowFox to help you manage your day. We acquired the most accurate traffic system, which is the only one that gives you real-time traffic, so you can know what's in store for you on your drive to or from work. We know high definition doesn't make a station great, but a station can't be great in 2011 without it. We're the only full-time HD station in the market, not only for news, but for many local commercials and most syndicated programs like 2.5 Men. So you'll have the best possible picture coming into your home. On January 17th at 6:30, we'll debut a brand new newscast, the Fox 41 Local Evening News. This newscast will feature local news when the other stations go to New York, but we'll also cover the top national and international stories of the day so you can stay on top of everything. And in September, to continue to improve the quality of our programming for you, a few of your favorite shows will be moving to Fox 41. Shows like Regis and Kelly Live, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Dr. Phil, and The Big Bang Theory. We're not a great television station yet, but I want you to know we're working on it for all we're worth. Louisville deserves a great television station, and I think WDRB can be that station. What would you suggest to help us become great? Go to Facebook or Twitter or fox41.com and let us know what you think. I'm Bill Lamb, and that's my point of view.